Hello, it's Darren again from First Place Finishing, and we're here in beautiful Moore Falls today, and we're coating some 1x6 tongue and groove pine for the ceilings of this beautiful, beautiful build. We're using the color WhiteWash, which is a very, very popular color up in cottage country. We're more than happy to oblige the customer, and using our awesome staining machine, it couldn't have gone better. So we're just gonna finish these last few boards, and hope you enjoy it. So we've already poured in the stain into the hopper, and we'll start opening up these little taps to fill the trough. It's going to fill this bottom tray and saturate the rollers. And down here we're just going to open up this little drain valve, and there's a strainer that's going back into our bucket. And when the reservoir finishes emptying, we just bring up what is remaining and pour it back into the reservoir. The beauty of Expert Stain and Seal stains, oil-based penetrating stains, is it doesn't matter if you put your hands on it, it doesn't block, it doesn't run, it doesn't leave fingerprints. Very forgiving that way, and allows you to stack these boards up, stack them for a little bit, and then bring them right inside for your install. Whether you're using fence pickets, pergola packages, deck packages, or tongue and groove like we're doing today. The reason why we went with the whitewash color today is in cottage country, the whitewash look on the walls and ceilings of your home or cottage is extremely popular. Expert having this color available to us, it's a no-brainer. And the customer was very pleased with the results. So here we go. These boards just came out of the machine a few minutes ago, and I'm handling them. You would never do this with a water-based stain ever. It would just leave fingerprints all over it. But with Expert, you don't have to worry about it. It's a self-leveling penetrating oil that absorbs into the wood and doesn't show any fingerprints, and it doesn't block. You can come here in a few hours, pick them up, and install them. They're not going to stick together. One of the benefits of running these boards through the Expert stain machine is the efficiency in your job. So we brought the machine to the job site, and once we kind of got the logistics of where things were going to be, it literally took about 3.5 hours to run 5,000 plus feet of tongue and groove pine through the machine. That's pretty efficient. Now, if you didn't have a stain machine like this, if you're doing this on sawhorses like they are now, it would take you well over a week, at least well over a week, to do 5,000 linear feet. If any of you out there are looking or interested in buying the Expert staining machine, you can do so through Fence Armor. And if you're also interested in the whitewash stain as well, that could be purchased through Fence Armor as well. Check them out online, fencearmor.com.